Good morning, dear children. Dear children, this is your EVS class, and today's date is 4th of December 2020, and this is your copy work of chapter number 5, The World of Animals. Question number 1 is, what are birds? BIRDS, birds. Put here question mark. Now answer is, birds are animals with wings. WINGS, wings, and two legs. Yes or no? बर्ड्स को कितने विंग्स रहते हैं? 2 wings and 2 legs. Now put your cross, means leave one line after one question and answer. Number 2 is, name any 2 places, TWO2 PLACES, places where animals live. Very sorry, put here full stop. Now answer is, animals live, LIVE, live on land, 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 trees and in water. Yes or no? Now again put your cross, leave one line. Question number 3, write any 2 examples of big animals answer is, elephant, and giraffe, GIRAFFE. Giraffe are big animals, ANIMALS, animals. Put here cross. Now dear children, question 2, give reason, REASON, reason. The number 1 is, why do wild animals, ANIMALS, why do wild animals need a home? Put a question mark. Answer is, wild animals, ANIMALS, animals need a home, 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 to be safe, 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 from bad, BAD, bad weather, WEATHER, bad weather means, dear children, बारिश है ना, बारिश आती है, बहुत ज़ोरों की हवा आती है, तूफान आता है, उसे कहते हैं बैड वेदर. एंड एनिमीज़, एनिमीज़ मीन्स उनसे जो उनको खतरा रहता है, बड़े एनिमल्स से, उनको कहते हैं एनिमीज़. ENEMIES, E-S, enemies. Question number 3. Circle the odd one, O-double-D, odd. 1 out. Number 1 is butterfly. Parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Cockroach, C-O-C-K-R-O-A-C-H, cockroach. Now dear children, butterfly and cockroach are insects. Parrot is a bird, so it's a odd one out. Now number 2. Crocodile, C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E, crocodile. Turtle, T-U-R-T-U-L-E, turtle. Fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Now which one is odd one here? Here fish is odd one. Why? Because fish cannot live without water, and crocodile and now fish cannot live without water, and crocodile and turtle live in water also, on land also. Okay. Now dear children, complete this work in your CW copy. Now put here cross. Question number 4. Draw and label the diagram. D-I-A-G-R-A-M, diagram. आपने अभी क्या करना है? यहाँ पे डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना है. एनिमल्स live on land, जो ज़मीन पे रहते हैं उन एनिमल्स को हमने ड्रॉ करना है. नाउ डियर चिल्ड्रन, ड्रॉ हियर. कैट देखिए आपने. कैट कहाँ पे रहती है? ऑन ट्री? नो. इन वाटर? नो. ऑन लैंड? यस. सो ड्रॉ कैट. You like cat na? Very easy it is. Draw like this. This is a cat. Now write the name cat. Now here draw elephant. Okay. It is also very easy. Draw one circle. This is a trunk. Okay. This is elephant's body. Elephant is a very big animal. Yes or no? It has very small tail. And these are the legs. Write the name of this animal. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Now, animals live in water. जो एनिमल्स वाटर में रहते हैं उनके पिक्चर्स हमने ड्रॉ करना है. ओके डियर चिल्ड्रन. Now draw here fish. You like fish na? Write the name Fish, fish. Draw here duck. Dear children, color these animals. Okay, right here duck, duck. Now complete this work in your CW copy and as well as in HW copy and send it to me for checking on my personal number. Thank you, dear children. Bye.